This is the all-new Mercedes GLB, a versatile, family-focused compact SUV that blends everyday practicality with advanced electrification, safety, and digital technology. Offered as a 5 or 7-seater, it delivers generous interior space, flexible seating, a large rear boot, plus a class-leading front trunk, and towing capability of up to 2 tons, making it suitable for both urban use and longer adventures. The new GLB adopts a distinctive front end with a large grille and new headlights, complete with star-shaped DRLs and a light bar. At the rear, it has vertical taillights connected by a light bar, complete with star-shaped lighting signatures like those found up front. At launch, the GLB will initially be sold as an EV replacing the EQB, while hybrid variants will be added to the range at a later date. 2 versions of the new SUV have been announced. The first, badged the GLB 250 Plus with EQ technology, has an 85 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack and an 800-volt electric architecture. It features a rear-mounted electric motor producing 268 horsepower and 335 newton-meters of torque, allowing it to hit 100 kilometers per hour in 7.4 seconds. This version can also travel an impressive 630 kilometers on a single charge. The second one is the 354-matic with EQ technology. It promises 615 kilometers of range from the same 85 kilowatt-hour battery and adds an electric motor to the front axle. This model delivers a combined 349 horsepower and 515 newton-meters of torque, dropping the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time to 5.5 seconds. A big step into the future has also been made with the GLB's interior. Like the CLA, it can be optioned with the Mercedes Super Screen, consisting of a 10.25-inch driver display, a 14-inch infotainment screen, and a 14-inch display for the passenger. It runs on the 4th-generation MBUX system that includes Microsoft and Google Artificial Intelligence. In terms of pricing, the base GLB 250 Plus starts at €59,000, whereas the GLB 354-matic kicks off from €62,000 in Germany. Guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.